Hey everybody, it's Pam and Bill at Soulmates and Sawdust. Hey, it's the first time I got to say our new name. So excited.
Formerly?
Yes, so we were formerly Country Living Newbie Custom Decor. So if you've been subscribing to our channel, you are used to that name. And if you are new to our channel, we are Soulmates and Sawdust. So my name is Pam. My husband Bill is always behind the camera, well, unless he's in front of it.
Which is rare.
We are going to jump right in because we really didn't plan to do this video, but we've had so much interest after I put it on our Facebook page that we are painting our countertops. So we have started to spruce up our house a little bit. Being a small business owner, we have neglected our house tremendously, and we make things beautiful for other people, but our own house has just been neglected. So we're trying to keep it economical to do some upgrades. And one of the things that we wanted to do was get rid of our brown marble, actually they're granite actually, but the brown tone countertop. Our entire kitchen is tones of white, gray, and black.
Stainless steel.
Yeah, stainless steel. So we just painted a table. We put some black and white buffalo check in here, and we have little pops of mint green. It's a mess right now, guys, because we had to clear off our countertop.
Dogs.
So, yeah, and dogs, just dogs and cats and everything. So, so we had so much interest. I'm just gonna go ahead and make this video, and we'll take you through the whole process, okay? So,
but you want to show them what
yeah,
what it's going to look like, or hopefully look like?
So we're going for this kind of matte concrete cement kind of look, and the lighting in here is
It's not bad.
probably not good, but that's what we're going for. We're going to be using Dixie Belle's Silk all-in-one mineral paint. So Dixie Belle's paint is so not their chalk paint, but their mineral, their all-in-one paint is an acrylic-based paint. It does have a primer in it, but it's not a bonding primer. And these are Granite. They are super slick, so you can't just put paint on here and expect it to adhere. We're going to put a bonding primer on there first, and we'll be doing that in the video a little bit later. But first and foremost, you've got to clean your countertops. Just get them super clean, because whatever you do is only as good as the first layer in your preparation, right? So we're going to use Dixie Belle's White Lightning. You can use, you know, I use a TSP-based cleaner. We're going to do the same on here. We're going to spray it on, we're going to rinse it, and then we are going to prime with a bonding primer called Slick Stick. But first, let's do this.
And there goes my phone.
And here's your phone. All right, so I just put my White Lightning in a spray bottle. It comes in a crystal that you reconstitute. You can put it in a bucket, spray it on, whatever you want to do. And then I'm just taking a cheap dollar store sponge, and we're going to scrub this down.
You using the sponge end or the scrunchie
Well, I
end?
was going to use the scrunchie end. Scrunchie end. I started to use it's just kind of flying all over. This is so slick. But really, you know, just make sure you get it good, because you got like oil. The White Lightning has a degreaser and a deglosser in it. Now, it's not gonna degloss your granite or your marble, but it's gonna help get that grease from your kitchen off there. And you may want to think about logistics if you're doing this. You know, where are you going to put everything on your counter? How are you going to seal it? And we're getting a lot of questions about that on our Facebook page. We're not sure yet. Your best sealer is epoxy resin, but that's not always the easiest thing to do. It's expensive.
Especially if you need to use your countertops.
Yeah, because it's not going to dry very quickly. And we have cats and dogs, and we just probably can't do that. So we'll probably end up using just a polyurethane of some sort. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep cleaning this and then I'm gonna rinse it off with water and we will be back to apply some slick stick.